Iran is an exporter of war, and really right now the regime tries to seek and drag as many countries into this war as possible. But Iran is fighting alone, and its military capabilities are not indefinite. No one knows what the future holds for Iran. Usually regimes crumble from the inside, not the outside. Tehran has been considerably weakened, and there is a chance for the Iranian people to determine their own future. On the diplomatic track, the European Union and Gulf foreign ministers met today to discuss what we can do together to break the cycle of escalation and also boost regional defenses. And these discussions will, of course, continue. Thank you very much. Thank you. Iran is indiscriminately attacking countries around, and really, I mean, today we had also a meeting with the Gulf countries who have been attacked and who have not done anything to attack Iran. Many of them have been supporting the diplomatic track and convincing for other countries also not to attack them. So what they are trying to do is to sow chaos as much as possible, and this is what we are seeing right now. Now, when it comes to NATO members, of course, it's up to NATO members to say whether it's Article 4 situation or Article 5 situation, whether they need help. So far, we have not seen that. And when it comes to members of European Union, we also have Article 42(7) that is giving the right for member states to also call others for help. So far, this has also not been triggered or not necessary. For us, it is very important that we, try to do everything to really take the tension down, that it doesn't go any further, because the region does not need another war.
Will be all. Thank you so much for your attention. Thank you so much for coming.